Come with me to this beautiful outdoor studio space and let's create a perfect glamorous night out look using all YSL beauty. I'm so excited to show you how to achieve this look. I'm sitting in this gorgeous outdoor setting, and as we go, you will see the transition from the day to night. The entire ambience looks absolutely stunning. I have already prepped my face and lids, so let's jump right into the eyes. I'm using the YSL Mini Clutch palette in Babylone Roses, packed with shimmers that sparkle beautifully under lights. It's perfect for the night out glam and looks stunning on the brown skin tones. I'm starting with the warm shade in the palette as my transition shade and blending it out. Next, I'm reaching for the rich purple and focusing on the outer corners and crease to add depth. On the lid, I'm using lilac pink shimmer shade and packing it with a flat fluffy brush. For the inner corners, I'll go back with a lighter shimmer shade to brighten up the eyes. Once all colors are placed, I'll use a clean fluffy brush to seamlessly blend everything together and build up a little bit more color for the smooth and polished finish. I'm using the YSL waterproof eye pencil in 01 to define my eyes. Pro tip, don't line both the eyes at the same time, as this liner is super pigmented and dries out quickly, making it harder to blend or smoke out. I apply the eyeliner mainly to the center of my lash line first and avoid applying it directly to the inner and outer corners. Instead, I use the flat eyeliner brush that comes along with the pencil to gently spread the product towards both corners. Before applying the drop shadow, I'm going to highlight my under eyes. For nighttime glam, it's essential to brighten the under eye area to keep the face looking fresh. I'm using YSL Touche Eclat Illuminating Pen in 5.5 Luminous Praline. This shade is perfect for brown skin tones. Just remember not to apply directly under the eyes. Go slightly lower and then blend using a beauty blender or brush. You'll instantly notice how much brighter the center of the face looks and eyes looks. Next, I'm using the YSL Make Me Blush Liquid in 44. This blush is pigmented and this shade perfectly went together with my eye makeup. But if you fall under deeper skin tone, I would recommend trying the YSL Powder Blush instead. I fall under medium to tan and this shade looked really good on me and it blended beautifully. To finish blending, I went in with a larger fluffy brush for a seamless look. I have already set my face off camera with a setting powder. Now I'm lining my waterline with the YSL eyeliner and using the same Babylone Roses palette to smoke out the drop shadow. To build intensity, I'm softly adding the black eyeliner just outside the waterline and layering eyeshadow over it. This technique gives you more control over the depth of the look. Next up is the YSL Lash Clash Waterproof Mascara. This is going to be my new favorite mascara. It curled and lifted my lashes beautifully, and no matter how much I layered it, it didn't even clump. It's seriously that good. The camera is not justifying how beautiful it looks, but trust me, it does in person. Now it's time to bronze. I'm using the YSL All Hour Hyper Bronzer in the shade 03. The formula is smooth, buttery, and it blends like a dream. I'm applying it with a fluffy brush on my cheeks, forehead, and jawline just to add that healthy warmth. For lips, I'm using the YSL Loveshine Candy Glaze in shade 15, showcasing Nude. This is such a pretty nude shade. You can wear it alone or pair it with a lip liner. If you're close to my skin tone, you need to try this. It looks beautiful and can be paired with pink or brown lip liners. No night glam look is truly complete without a captivating fragrance. I'm wearing YSL perfume. It adds the perfect final touch of elegance and confidence to the entire look. Here's how the final makeup looks under different lights. And honestly, this is the kind of glam you need for a night out. At night, always go for sparkly, shimmery shades and high shine formulas. They add perfect glow, freshness, and dimensions to your face. If you create this look, trust me, you're gonna get so many compliments on this look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!